Now I turn on the rotary attachment switch and start the laser. The x-axis will reset automatically. For y-axis, I need to reset manually. You see the chunk is moving. I need to reset it manually. After that, the laser go to the origin, then we can adjust the position or align it for the rotary working. The x-axis we can move from the panel, and the y-axis we can move it by hand to adjust the position. After we adjust the position and fix the workpiece, we can press the origin to set the working point. From the menu user parameter, the rotary engraving, we have the pulse per run or cycle. The parameter is 30,000. The number is about 30,000. And diameter, it depends the size of your workpiece. We need to adjust this to ensure the engraving size is aligned the joint. After setup, you can find we need to adjust the speed, the rapid speed to 50, and then press fire to choose the fire we need to work, and check the parameter if it's okay. After we check everything, we can press the start. In some case, if you start working and you prompt the boundary error, that's because either the X or the Y position is too much. If we work on the fire, the position may go over the limit, so we need to adjust the origin. In this case, I will adjust the y-axis now to 295 and press the origin and start it again. It will work. That's all for this setup video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.